When you play roulette using the 7-bet roulette system, you're going to easily win $1,544 an hour. And you'll do it making small bets. And best of all, this system is so strong, you're never going to lose again. Not even one time. Yesterday, I played a little less than 2 hours in a local casino using the 7-bet roulette system. And I easily won $2,850. Now, there's no reason that you can't do just as well. In fact, players just like you are winning thousands of dollars a day with the 7-bet roulette system. You too can easily win $5,000 a day or more using this powerful system. I'm Russell Hunter. While I'm a stock trader, I also make a lot of money gambling. And there's nothing quite as satisfying as taking on a casino and then beating it at its own game. Today I'm going to demonstrate one of the most powerful systems I've ever used. It's called 7-Bet Roulette. Now, 7-Bet Roulette was developed by a seasoned gambler named Nick Rogers, who won a fortune with this system in Las Vegas. Nick has finally agreed to share this personal high-performance roulette system with a few more players. Now, 7-Bet Roulette is the fastest winning system I've ever seen. In fact, if you can risk $32, you can quickly be winning $1,544 an hour with 7-Bet Roulette. This is a system that has been tested, and believe it or not, it never loses. Now, you can get started right now by downloading this free book, How to Play Roulette Like a Pro. You'll learn how to play roulette just like an expert. This book is absolutely free. There's no strings attached. Just go to www.gamblersbookcase.com/7Bet Roulette. Now, if you'd like to win $25,000 a week, every week, then 7-Bet Roulette system is the safest and easiest way to do it. Let's see how the system works. I've got a $100 bankroll set up here, and we're going to make some dollar-based bets. Now, before we get going, we need to observe one wheel spin. So, we've got an observation here. The ball lands on number 32. Okay, we're going to start our betting now. And we'll put a bet down covering number 32 and 35. Now, one thing about this system, there's no guesswork. The system's going to tell us exactly where to bet and exactly how much to bet. So we get a spin here, and we have a number 23, so we lose that bet. So what we'll do is we'll push that bet down and put a bet right here. And we're going to see how we do on this spin and see where we go. Okay, we got a loss and a win. We lose the one bet there, but we win on the other bet. So, pick up our chips. Now, we'll make another bet here, and we're going to wait for our spin. Now, I could quit right now with a $15 win with this system. If we'd been playing with $5 chips, we would have won $75. Now, that's not too bad for 2 bets. So we put our bet in place, and let's see where the roulette wheel went. Okay, we have a loss on that one. No problem, you're not going to win every bet. Place the bet there, put a new bet down here, and we get a spin, and we see what happens. Okay, we have a loss on one, but we have a win on the other. So pick up our winnings, and now we're going to make a bet again over here, and we get the roulette spin, wheel spin. Okay, we have another win. And let's just stop at this point and kind of count up and see how we did. We made 5 bets. We started with $100, and we ended up winning. There's 40, 5, 46. We ended up winning $46. This is really terrific. Now in a land-based game, if you played at about 80 spins an hour, you're going to make $736 an hour playing just like this at this win rate. That's dollar bets. Now if you move up to $2 bets, you're going to win $1,472 an hour if you played and won just like we did here. Now you can start to see why our players won an average of $1,544 an hour in their long-term play. Now one thing is absolutely certain about playing with this system. You're going to beat all versions of roulette with 7-Bet roulette. You're going to beat the American double zero wheels. You're going to roll over any of the European versions of roulette. This system has never lost an online roulette. It's never lost a single game in a land-based casino. And there's nothing theoretical about these results. It's been tested and proven to perform by real players just like you. If you act now, you can gain instant access to the 7-Bet Roulette Player's Manual. You'll learn how to use this remarkable 7-Bet roulette system to beat every version of roulette that's offered today. But I'm not done. With each player's manual will include an automatic bet tracker. This is the easiest way to win ever created. Just set it for your level of play and start playing and winning. One player said it makes winning so easy, it feels like I'm doing something illegal. And I've got another free book waiting for you. This one could be worth $100,000 to you. You get the complete plan to win $100,000 with 7-Bet roulette. Now you can download this book instantly at www.gamblersbookcase.com/7-Bet roulette. And don't forget to download your free book, How to Play Roulette Like a Pro. Now it takes almost no money to get started with the 7-Bet roulette system. If you've got $32, you can quickly move up to winning $1,544 an hour. If you're serious about pulling in a lot of money quickly, safely, on your own terms, the 7-Bet roulette is going to be the perfect for you. Now it comes with an ironclad guarantee in writing. You can try this winning system out risk-free with this no-nonsense, full money-back guarantee. Now you never need to lose at roulette again. 7-Bet roulette is the proven way to become a highly paid roulette pro. It's time for you to gain the edge of no-loss gambling. Everything you need to know is here. You get the player's manual. You'll get the automatic bet tracker. You'll get the $100,000 win plan, which will show you how to use this system and win $100,000 in 17 hours. Now the remarkable thing about this is our players are using this system right now and it works. You can win $100,000 your first week with this system. And of course you'll get the How to Play Roulette Like a Pro. Even if you know how to play roulette, this is going to go over a lot of tricks and things you may not know about the game, and it's going to help you become a better player and help you put you in a situation where you're going to win over $1,500 an hour playing roulette. Russell Hunter wishing you high profits, great success with 7-Bet roulette.